Hey guys, welcome back to another gaming video. Today, we're going to be playing X3M 5 Pool Party. So, let's get right into this. Oh, come on. Nope, it just frees up our time. Let's press that restart button, because I'm just first try to do stuff. What was that? Bye-bye. Oh, what was that? Oh, wrong button. Restart. Press start. Dun, 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 dun. Ouch. Late flip. But I guess that's still kinda. Yeah, we dodged that. Yeah. Whoa! That was close to not having scissors. I don't know why I said whoa. Well, maybe it's because it was actually good. Jeez. And why didn't that give me flip bonus? Oh man, I could have flipped. Right there I flipped. But it's only like a fraction of a second. Whoa! Let's actually click change bike. I have 6. Oh, I get it now. But this one is cooler than this one. Yeah, it's so much cooler. Let's go back to 3. You're the other one of 3. I didn't know it. Oh, seriously? Press tap. Tap start. That was so close to not working. But I made it work in the end, seriously. I'm gonna restart because I want them stars. So I can change my bike to the chicken bike. Oh, bye-bye. Yeah, radical, I guess. Nah, that wasn't really radical. That was perfect. Again. Let's go. Gotta get wrecked. Oh yeah. Casually just flips. Totally. Yeah. I usually would make the mistake of falling too early. This time I did it right. Okay, right, set, go. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. I really want that shortcut, but I don't seem to know how to do it. Oh, darn it. Just 94 milliseconds off. Nope, that's not good. That was unexpected. Well, I want at least 2 stars every level. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, seriously? I have to restart. Darn it. Well, I guess that was enough, so thanks for watching, and, well, I guess that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you liked, and don't forget to check out our buddies, Will12 and Dr. HMJ Gaming. See you next time. Bye.